Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to send crypto from Telegram wallet to Trust wallet. What you need to do at first is head over to Telegram wallet and then click on send. Now it's asking me to buy crypto because I don't have any in my account, but the process is same. You're going to click on external wallet and then let's say we want to send Bitcoin. So we're going to click on this. Now here it's going to ask me for my Bitcoin address. As you can see, send only Bitcoin. So what you want to do is head over to your Trust wallet and then click on Bitcoin. After that, once it loads, you want to tap on receive, and then let's say from there it's gonna show you what your address is. Just paste it over here and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.